midday in Greenville. I wanted to quickly, before we head out into the heat, I wanted to unbox another organizer from KD Australia. This opinion is my own. I have paid full price for everything I've ordered from them. This is me sharing information of a product that I like. So glean what you can from the information. Let me know if you have questions. KD Australia is out of Australia, obviously, and they have customizable handbag organizers. The one I bought this time was for my beloved Noe. Let's see how we fit some things in it, because I think this is going to be a great bag to take downtown. We're going to be sitting out in the open. I'll probably need to carry a bunch of stuff, because I'll have 3 teenagers and a husband. Probably a cooler and snacks. This on the website is $21.17. They want the business tag. And with tax, because it is shipping from Australia, it's reasonable. Add another $11 for shipping and tax, and it's $32.33. The shipping took a couple of weeks, not long at all, and I was able to kind of customize what kind of pockets I wanted and the color. The organizer is like a really stiff felt, so it's pliable, yet has a little bit of structure so that it'll help keep your bag in shape. It's a great thing to store your bag with too, so that the bag doesn't store like this, because you know, over time that can actually crack, or it'll stretch where the canvas has a little bit of weight on it, and you don't want that to happen either. It fits in like so. I like how the color is the same as the lining, so it kind of just is seamless, and also I like being able to see my contents. Alright, this is how my Noe would normally look. There is, you know, it's like I said, a black hole, bottomless pit, and you know, the sound of me rummaging is constant, especially in a movie theater if I have my candy stashed in here. So let's see how we can organize it. You can see all that. Okay, I'm going to dump it. Organizer goes right in like that. Fits perfect. I'm going to put in the items that I think I will need tonight at the Shakespeare in the Park. So of course I'm going to have my sunglasses, because we've got at least 2 hours after the play starts of sun. And I'll put them right there. This is a double wall thermos. It really does a good job of keeping water cold for hours. And that'll go right there. I can put my phone in the side here. And I have a new spray. So it's a bigger, I like the other kind the best, but it's out, and this is a nice big one I can share. These are bug spray, organic bug spray wipes. So I'll put them in a pouch over here. You see where I put them? I'm going to take this out for now. I'll put this here. I'm switching everything around. Okay. So there is that. Now the trick is always to see if I keep it organized. I tend to just throw things back in. I don't even know if I'm going to venture to bring my good lipsticks, because it could just melt. But there is a lipstick slot right here. See how easy you can grab that? I can even put a gloss right there. And assorted sunscreens are a must. And maybe I'll slip them all in this pouch on the side, because the Noe has no pockets at all. The newer models do have a D-ring on the side. So my reading glasses, those need to be easy access. Put them in this pouch. There. And my keys I'll put there in my wallet. And then I have my cosmetic round. I can fit that right there. I have some wipes. That will fit right there. Let's put the water bottle back in. Now, occasionally I will bring a bag to put my bag in if there's any chance of rain. And this is like a nylon baggie that scrunches up into a small space. So I'll just put, if this can go anywhere, it can hide, but that's just in case it starts to rain. I feel like I want to protect my bag somehow. Or if there's mud and I don't want to set my bag down on anything. And of course I have my clipper. These I think I will need for sure. And I'm not going to put the leather strap in. I'm actually going to use one of my vintage scarves. I troll all the estates, you know, looking for bags of course, but also I collect vintage scarves. So to add a little color, I do like wearing bright colors, I'm going to thread the top with one of these and put my strap back on. Okay. Here she is, and I love how it's kind of keeping the square shape at the bottom. And I'm not going to tie this in a knot, I'll just cinch the canvas back and forth. Everything that I need is in there, and I'm ready to go. Nice shape. And it doesn't jingle jingle. I can get to my stuff a lot easier. So I don't know why I didn't think about having Katie Australia make me one before, but I'm glad I got one. I hope this helped you. If you're a fellow Noe lover, comment below and let me know how you organize your Noe, or if you just stuff it full, which I probably will also, but it's kind of nice to keep it organized. I'm actually really pleased. My channel is all about Louis Vuitton. I sure would love you to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I upload videos at least once a week and you won't miss a thing if you hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Follow me on to the next video, to one of my playlists, and we will see what else we can learn about Louis Vuitton. Until next time, bye.